Going to see how we can find the angle of rotation and center of rotation if an object and its image are given. Sometimes object and image are given. Sometimes we are asked to draw the points, form the object and then its image, and then find the angle of rotation and center of rotation. So let's say we are given a triangle ABC with A as coordinates 2, 2, B as coordinates 5, 2, and C as coordinates 5, 5. Then join the line segments and form the triangle ABC. Now draw the image points. Image of A corresponding to A is having coordinates like 2, 2, 4, and the point is D, image of A. Then image of B is having coordinates negative 5, 4, and the point is E, image of B. And the coordinates of the image of C is negative 5 and 1. Then form the triangle. Now we have an object ABC and we have an object DEF. So we do not know that about which point this object ABC is rotated and through what angle. Now first of all, the image of A is D. So join A and D and find its perpendicular bisector. We know the perpendicular bisector of a line segment with the help of compasses can be found easily by fixing the sharp edge on one side or one end of the line segment, that's let's say A, and mark arcs on both sides of A. So the compasses should be open little more than half the length of the segment AD. Similarly from D, and then join where these arcs are meeting on both sides of the line segment AD. That is practical way. Now let's see with the help of GeoGebra. We draw the perpendicular bisector of line segment AD. Now we join E with B because image of B is E, image of B is E. So now draw the perpendicular bisector. Again repeat the same process. The two perpendicular bisectors are meeting at point 0,3. So from here we can confirm that the center of rotation is having coordinates 0,3, and we can mark that point G. However, if you want to mark, we can draw the third line segment CF also, but two are sufficient. C with F and draw the perpendicular bisector, and where these three perpendicular bisectors are meeting, that is the center of rotation. Now we can see G, image of A is D. Through the center of rotation, ZD and GA, that's a straight line. So we can see the angle between ZD and GA is 180 degrees. ZD and GA is 180 degrees. That means A has been rotated to D through an angle of 180 degrees. It can be clockwise or anti-clockwise. C has been moved to F through 180 degrees clockwise or anti-clockwise. B has been moved to E through 180 degrees clockwise or anti-clockwise.